8 months ago, when we were on our way to an event, we got stuck in a severe traffic congestion. As a result of the deplorable air quality, one of our team members, who was 15 at the time, had an asthma attack. That made us realize the gravity of the situation.
World Health Organization has asserted that Delhi has the dirtiest atmosphere of 200 top cities of the world. About 80 people die every day due to air pollution. Moreover, the motor vehicles are the biggest source of pollution worldwide. It's a well-known fact that slow vehicles emit more pollution. It can be inferred that traffic congestions are the major primary source of air pollution in the metropolitan cities, and we need a mechanism which does not improve the air quality but also regulates traffic. At Vidam Systems, we try to achieve the same with this.
We've been working on an integrated system called TRACY, which is short for Traffic and Emissions Control System. It consists of an emission sensing component, a velocity and locational tracker, and a transportation-centric integrated navigation system. One major component of TRACY is the TRACY Emissions Check, TEC in short. It will be present in all vehicles and it consists of two units. The first is the combined sensor unit. It takes the exhaust readings and stores them. The second will be a Wi-Fi enabled data transfer unit, which will take the data from the sensor unit and send it to the local servers, which will then analyze the data.
So basically, the data is transferred from the TEC to the local unit, which is embedded in a communicating software. For instance, the street and the traffic light poles. And we have a dual function of velocity measurement of the vehicles and enactment of necessary procedures in case of violation. The application will also be directly to these local units instead of the GPS for history distribution of the traffic and greater efficiency. Now the data from the local units will go to the zonal server and finally the central server, which will then take appropriate actions based on our algorithm.
The purpose of the integrated navigation system is to make transport-based suggestions based on our vision of clean and efficient traffic system. It's suggestions based on following parameters, which will be allowed emissions at that point in time, functioning methods of public transport, the current traffic situation, and so on. TRACY will also include an emissions tracker, which will constantly keep tabs on all individual vehicular emissions, which will be linked to the person's TRACY account.
What differentiates TRACY from existing traffic regulated systems is the immense number of applications that arise from this single project. It can be used for prevention of crime, streamlining transaction at toll gates, set up more accurate pollution caps. And the best part is that it can be made with technology available today.